Everyone, this is KJ Vlogs, a Filipino actor based here in Kingdom of Saudi Arabia, and welcome back to my channel. Ang ganda gawa natin ito reaction video. Ang Barda compilation for today's video kasi ang dami talaga natin hindi napanood kahapon, sa totoo lang. So without further ado, let's start this reaction video. Ay, taray. Alam mo, natatawa na lang talaga ako. Sorry ah. Natatawa na lang talaga ako. Okay. Samantalang busy si ano. Hindi nahulog. Uy, grabe naman. Diba? Lumabas na ba yung ano nila? Lumabas na ba yung what do you call this? Ito hindi ko ito napanood kahapon. Tsaka halata talaga yung sa what do you call this? Sa video, yung video. Super halata. Anyway, sila na. Sabi ni Irish, sila na. Okay lang, Irish. Opinion mo yan. Gwapo ni Ginoo. Gwapo ni Ginoo. Hindi pa nga tayo nakapag-check ng Instagram eh. Wait lang, i-check natin yung Instagram. Gusto nyo? Pagkatapos nito. Ay, atake. Tingnan natin yung mga repost ni Irish. Ay, wala siyang repost. Wait lang. Gusto ko makita yung Barbie Fortesa. Ay, ito may mga post. Ay, si Makeup by Miss Tony. Ito yung preparation nila. Ganda talaga. Ganda niya talaga. Ito. Patingin.
Here to support lang naman.
In-invite ka personally ni Barb.
Oh yes, she invited me.
So handa ka na naman ma-chismis kayo.
Ay, bakit mo ma-chismis?
It's not my decision. I mean, it's beyond my control.
It's beyond my control.
To support. Siyempre, this is a nice event. Premiere nights. Siyempre, support whoever.
Are you bothered with the talks?
Hindi naman. It's fine.
Hindi naman.
Part of it, I guess. It's part of the process, diba? And people like to talk about it, so okay lang naman. Okay lang naman.
Gaya ba kayong next run together?
None planned yet.
Non-planned yan. Busy, oh. Diba? Sabi ko sa inyo, kasi wala na ngang schedule.
Eventually may...
Kasi wala na ngang schedule. Kaya yun na yung chance nila eh.
Tapos na or
Yes, tapos
na siya.
Natapos namin shoot yun, I think, March, I think.
This year?
This year, March. So, ayan, I think it's about to show soon.
Kamusta naman experience nyo ni Barbie sa project na?
It was actually a fun experience to work with her. Very approachable siya, very professional. That's one thing I would like to highlight.
But I don't know why. Please don't hate Jameson as well. They're just doing their...
It was fun to get to know.
They're just doing their job, actually. Diba?
Siniship na rin kayo ng mga
Ginagawa lang ng trabaho nila.
Ano feel?
Wala, nakakatuwa to see na they're, may mga tawa na ganyan. I mean, they're giving comments.
Sa inyo.
Natutuwa sila sa mga nangyayari. So, I appreciate it. I appreciate it naman.
Kasi daw naman nag-holding hands kayo. Diba?
Ano bang kwento dun sa holding hands?
Pakinggan natin yan.
Hindi naman talagang
finish line.
Yeah, well, basta crowd control.
Crowd control.
Kasi ang daming nagpa-pictures. I'm just trying to pull her away from the crowd.
Mabait din to eh, si Jameson.
Protection
safety
lang kayo.
Yeah, for safety lang naman.
Ah.
Gentleman lang.
Helpful lang
Nothing too serious naman.
Pero may bala ka bang manligaw kay Barb?
I mean, it's still early pa. I'm letting her enjoy her single life muna. So for now, we're just...
What about you? Are you single?
Yes.
Exactly. Di ba, can you just imagine, sabi niya dito, kung may mali siya talaga yung holding hands nila doon. Sabi niya dito, it's too early to say pa, ganun. Pero may mga holding hands na sila. I mean to say, wala talagang mali siya yun. It's all about work.
Time na rin.
Nakikialam talaga. Oh.
Since nagsimula ka siya.
Tagal na ba? Matagal ako singing. And I've just been focusing on work lang and other stuff. I'm also back to school. So,
Ay, saan?
sa Thames International
You're enrolled in what?
Business operations.
Nagplano kang
Wow!
Soon.
At least nag-aaral siya.
Gain knowledge before, get
Anyways, what's next? Ay, napanood na natin to. Ay, ito. Ito yung sinasabi ninyo na pinahirap ng jacket. Okay. Oh, what's wrong with that? What's wrong with that? Kami ganap talaga ang fan service. Charis. Tawang-tawa ako dito. Ang sama nila dito kay David. Grabe kayo kay David. Sa totoo lang. Sobrang sama nila kay David. Pero sino kausap ni David? Sino kausap ni David doon? Wait, gusto ko makita. Slow. Huwag na kayong malungkot, okay? Ano kaya? Moment. Ay, ito si Barbie. Ay, ito. Never disappoint talaga. Napaka-quality nila gumawa ng mga horror movie. Uy, nakapanood na bang lahat? Manood kayo, please. Manood tayo, please. Huwag kalimutan po, P77. Grabe din yung acting skills ni David. Ano eh. Dami nangyari. Ay, si Miss Tony.
During the shoot, yung,
anyways. Ay, si Meme. Si Meme and si Barbie. Parang wala masyadong pasabog yung Showtime host ngayon, no? Ayun yung award. Napanood na natin to. Sino to? Eto mas malinaw. David and Josh? Ay, hindi. Dati pa to. Anyways, there you go guys. It is all for today's video. This is Kijimo Vlogs and see you in my next vlog. Bye.